In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress on Hostinger. Hostinger is one of the fastest hosting providers out there, and if you get a hosting from them and don't know how to install WordPress, this video is for you. If you also stumble upon this video but you don't have a Hostinger hosting yet, I'm going to show you how you can get your very own hosting right in this video. So without wasting further time, let's jump right into the tutorial. Now if I go over to a new tab, then I enter dikupages.com/hostinger. Hit enter. It will take you to hostinger.com. Here you'll be getting a 75% discount off your web hosting. Apart from this, I'll also be giving you a 10% discount code which you can leverage on to get additional discounts. So going down, these are the three various plans they have at the moment. They have the premium, business, and cloud startup. With the premium, you'll be able to host 25 websites, 50 websites for the business, and then 100 websites for the cloud startup. Choosing any of this will depend upon your requirement. For this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and use the business plan. So I click on choose plan. Here, you go ahead and choose the period you want. The higher you go, the lesser you pay. But for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and stick to 12 months. And with this, you'll be able to get a free domain for 1 year. Going down, you notice that your subs total was going to be $207, but because of the 75% discount, you'll be paying $60. Remember I said I'll be giving you additional coupon code you can use to get 10%. This way I click on have a coupon code, then I enter SWADIKU. That is the coupon code. Then I click on apply. And you see that I've gotten additional 10% discount. Isn't this cool? All is set. I click on continue. From here, I enter in my billing details, click on continue, and also go ahead and make the payment. When that is done, you'll be redirected to your Hostinger cPanel. So let me quickly go over to my cPanel. Having logged into your cPanel, the next thing you want to do is go over to websites. Then from here, you see that I have a bunch of websites. In your case, you won't have any website as yet. All you need to do is go ahead and click on add website. Then you go ahead and choose WordPress. In here, you go ahead and choose your login credentials. The email address you use to sign up on Hostinger will be populated here. If you don't want to use it, you can go ahead and change that. Next is password. I'll just change it. Then I click on next. From here, you can choose to create your website with AI or choose a pre-built website and themes. For this demonstration, I'll create a blank site. And this is where I enter my domain name. So I enter fanpreneur.tv. From here, you will see that your domain name will be populated here. If the domain name is not already registered, Hostinger will give you the opportunity to claim it for free. Remember, with the 1 year hosting, you'll be able to get a domain name for 1 year completely for free. In my case, my domain is already registered elsewhere, so I'll just go ahead and select it. Then I click on install WordPress. And now WordPress is installing on my website. I just have to give it a moment to finish installing. Now WordPress has finished installing and I'll be redirected to my dashboard. Awesome. So that's it on how you can get your web hosting from Hostinger and also install WordPress on your website. I hope you will find value from the video. If you did, kindly click on the like button. It does help me out. And do remember to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed and enable the notification bell so that you don't miss my future videos. Now, if you want to copy your WordPress website onto another domain, stick around to watch this video on your screen right now. Keep watching and I will see you in that video.